One.
What's going on, everybody? I got a new toy, and I do like new toys, and especially inexpensive ones. This is a $20 drawing tablet. Look at that, baby. Look at the drawing tablet. Yeah, this is the Star G430S made by XP Pen. And what this does, this allows a teacher or a student to plug this into a computer, a PC or a Mac, and annotate with a pen. All right. So especially if you don't have touchscreen devices, very helpful. So it looks like this. Okay. Kind of like a trackpad, but way better than a trackpad because you actually get to hold a writing utensil. Why would you ever want to do this? This allows you to easily annotate on pictures, also work out math problems, because no one likes drawing with a mouse or a trackpad. This is the way to go. So I'm going to put that down for a second. We're going to play with that. So how would you do that? How does this work? This is how it works. You go into some kind of whiteboard app, such as Flipgrid Shorts. Now, by the way, I've been doing lots of training on Flipgrid Shorts here lately. If you're like, Brian, I want you to come work at our school, show us how this works. I'll come show you. So this is a new feature. I'm all about it. If I go record a short, you'll see two of me. This is like way too much for a lot of you. You can't handle this much, Brian, okay? And it's got me kind of blown up there. It's kind of weird looking. Anyways, let's move on. So Flipgrid Shorts has a built-in whiteboard feature. Look at this right here, whiteboard feature. And so the teacher can like work out stuff. It's really cool. And I don't know if it's going to let me record both of these at the same time. We'll see what happens. So I could theoretically hit record. I got my little there's my pen right there. I'm working it right now with my drawing tablet. And I'm gonna go, let's pick a pretty color. That's pretty. Let's do that one. And over here, I can work out some kind of, I don't know, the Pythagorean theorem. That sounds exciting. So look at that. A little some of that. Boom. Now it's not, I'm not an artist. I kind of pretend here. So let's say I'm doing a squared plus b squared, b squared equals, oh goodness, that's ugly, c squared. And then I work out this problem for the students. They hear me talk about it. So this is the teacher making tutorials, because it's almost 2020. You know what I'm saying? It's almost 2020. We got to get on that. So, and you can, of course, you can make better triangles than I can. And you would work this out, and you would show the students how to do whatever it is you want them to do step by step. You can also include pictures. You can put a picture up here, annotate on the picture, show them how it works. And then when you hit stop, you're going to love this feature. Once you hit stop, you hit, let's see, there might be like a next button. I don't know. Let's keep going here. Let me move. Yep, next. There's me right there. I'm working right now with my drawing tablet. Y'all can probably hear this. And I'm going to go, let's pick a pretty color. That's pretty. Let's do that one. You're about to see me draw. Over here, I can work out some kind of, I don't know, Pythagorean theorem. That sounds exciting. So there it is. That's exciting. Some of that. So I did that with this. Now, it's not, I'm not an artist. Drawing tablet. I kind of pretend here. So let's say I'm doing. I'm going to stop you, hit next. What you do is the teacher takes a selfie. Like, oh, yeah. Ooh, good selfie. And then you can also add, don't forget, Flipgrid has all the stickers and all the cool stuff. And if you go to this thing, you click on it. These are all the cool ways you could share this with your students. Come on, baby. Where are you at? Oh, it's white. No wonder you can't even tell. Right down here, this is how you share it. You can share it easily through Remind. Hey, parents, this is something we're working on in math class. There you go, straight to Google Classroom. You could save this, put it in any learning management system that you have. If you're using Canvas, you're using Schoology, whatever you want. You can also put this on a website with the embed code. There you go. And let's say you're not even in the Flipgrid. They make other whiteboard apps that you could screencast over. So let me get out of this. Let me show you here. So this one, I just found this one. It's called awwapp.com. And of course, I already kind of did like a Pythagorean theorem type problem. I can just I'll hit a brand new one. Maybe, let's see. I haven't done this one before. Let's refresh. Sometimes you gotta get refreshed. I don't want to save that board. There we go. Start drawing. Awesome. So I've got my drawing tablet here. I'm going to draw out just like we did a second ago. Now this one doesn't have built-in video recording, so you have to do a screen recording of this. So I'm giving you two options to make videos with annotations. That's the Flipgrid Shorts, which is really cool. And then this one you only have to have an account. I just got on here and started working. And so on here, you just grab your pen, you just pick what color you want. Say, ooh, I like green. It's my jam. And you come up here and just do your magic. So here's a signature. A signature looks really good too. Here, let me get the signature action. Here we go, Brian. Ooh, look at that. Look at that bee.
Come on. Oh, yeah. Brian Buffington in the house. And then you could, of course, do your triangle. That's a squiggly something right there. And then, of course, you record over this and you show your students how to do certain things. This does have an eraser. It has some basic shape tools, text. You can also upload pictures, too. Hey, there you go, guys. This is my $20 drawing tablet. I think it's a really good investment. I know schools spend tons of cash on things that people may or may not use a whole lot. And so this would be a good option for that teacher who wants to make instructional videos for their students and do your own Khan Academy. Yeah, that's you. Hey, guys, let me know if you need help. Get one. Let me know how it goes. So a little quick tech tip for this. This, on my Mac, it did require me to go to the website and install the drivers. So if that sounds super geeky to you, don't be scared. Just go grab somebody who knows what that means, and they'll go to the website. They'll install the driver on your PC or Mac. Now, the PC may be plug and play. Mine required the little software that went with this. So there you go, guys. Get to it, guys. Love y'all. Bye.